This is 6 meter Aurora, and I want to show you some noise stuff that seems to work for me. That seems to make a hearable difference, especially if you were to have headphones on. Noise is really random, so it's hard to find the perfect solution, but this seems to really work. And that's Mike, VA3MW from FN04, showing Aurora on, today is November the 12th, 2025. Huge solar storm going on. Hope that gives you an idea of one of the noise features.